Hello everyone, Crypto Twitter, YouTube. Today I would like to analyze a Bitcoin price to look at some specific technicians and signals, but prior to that, I wanted to announce that I'm not a huge believer that we have entered a new bull cycle. Because listen, just because we have bounced up from the previous support line for 10 or 50%, doesn't give me a confidence to believe that we are entering a new full cycle bull mode. Because remember, during the bull market, when we are moving up unstoppably, on some level we have to retrace back down. The same applies when we are in the bear market, as for right now. When we are collapsing down, sooner or later we have to experience a relief rally to gain the momentum, to gain the seller power, to gain the fuel, so we will collapse back down even lower. Remember, one step back, which is two steps forward. This is the golden rule from the Bitcoin price action. So as for right now, let's jump into the video and let's see what is going on.
So firstly, let's take a look on my previous prediction that I had. I actually was believing that we will eat that last wick on the left side. Do you see that? We will take all of the stop losses and we will turn around and move upwards. But what happens and happened actually that we have touched all of that liquidity and we did the same maneuver, the same motion here. But isn't that true that this is the substantial move and we will move towards the upside? I don't think so. So first of all, let's take a look on the support and resistance level. So if I will pull that level here, you will see a major resistance and here a major support. Previously, we have bounced for that level for 1, 2, 3, now fourth times that we are touching that level. So tell me, isn't it logical to assume the more we touch some level, the weaker it becomes? So this support line becoming weaker, weaker, and weaker. It doesn't give me a confidence to assume that we right now entering the bull market. Fourth time we've touched that line. All right. Another thing to watch. Here we have a strong support level. I'm sorry, resistance. You see, we have touched that level many times. And here we also had a strong resistance. And right now we are facing again the resistance. In my humble opinion, what is about to happen, that we will move once again up towards the 22,000 level, because this is the round number. Remember, a lot of levels could be identified by round numbers. So we have a huge wick towards the upside, $22,000, and then we will see something like that, and then either we will see a huge dump towards the downside, or we will see some form of the consolidation, and then possibly we will do some motions, choppy motions, but bounce back and forth, and then we will decide either we're going to break that level again or we will dump completely back down. Because you see, we've seen that on many occasions. Like here, we've seen a rally towards the upside. Everyone was getting excited about the pump. And then we see what? A dump. Remember, two steps forward, one step backwards. This is how the markets are working usually. So what regards my previous trade that I've entered here on the top of that consolidation, I exit that trade with the $80 profit because I was not sleeping at the time. I was staring and watching for the markets, and I've seen that volatile movement, and I realized, all right, I need to quit that position as soon as possible. So it was like 20% profit, nothing significant, unfortunately, but I was not liquidated, which is a good news actually. So this is my prediction. Let's wait for the Monday. The Monday will show to us and will reveal to us the next movement and the next strategy. See ya!